Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Science with Teju. Today we are going to do a fun and colorful science experiment to understand density using oil, colored water and syrup. First, let's talk about density. Density means how heavy something is for its size. Liquids with higher density sink and liquids with lower density float. Now let's start the experiment. Take a transparent glass. First, slowly pour a oil into the glass, and next it is a syrup. It is the heaviest liquid here, so it will stay at the bottom. Next, gently pour a colored water using spoon or by pouring slowly along the side. Water is lighter than syrup, so it forms the second layer about it. Finally, pour oil carefully on the top. Oil is the lightest liquid, so it floats above both water and syrup. So looks carefully. You can see three beautiful layers. These three are a magic layers. Bottom layer is syrup, middle is colored water and top is oil. This happens because of different densities. The heaviest liquid stays at the bottom and the lightest stay at the top. You can even drop small objects into the glass and watch where they stop. Each object will settle at the layer that matches its density. Isn't that amazing? See, you can observe here. First, I took one steel item, it is heavier, so it is settled at the down, and second one I took a grape and it settled at the second layer, and third one it is cap or plastic which is settled at the third layer. You can observe clearly how the objects are settled. So these objects will settle at the layer that matches its density. See, isn't it amazing, right? Okay, now I'm just transferring that liquid to another glass to observe how the layer again it forms or not, or else it mix each other. So to perform that activity, just I poured that liquid into another glass. So you can observe there again those three layers are forming. Look here. If I mix and transform from one bottle or one glass to another glass also, after some time again those three layers are forming. Again the objects are at the same places. One is at the bottom which is heavier, and another grape it is at the second layer, and the third one it is at the cap or plastic it is at the third layer, and another item you can pour that will stay at the first layer. That is bend something water lighter object you can put there. Sponge type of atom you can put, so it will stay at the first layer, means first. Science is everywhere, even in your kitchen. If you enjoyed this experiment, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more fun science experiments. Thank you.